Okay, we're going to keep this radiator frame with the aftercooler, hydraulic cooler, and the condenser or evaporator, whatever it is, as a kit. We sell a lot of parts for these. Someone has a wreck, runs into something. The shroud has got some issues and the fan doesn't come with it, but you're going to get the frame. We're going to keep the pipe that goes to the engine. We're going to keep the lines in that pipe. Tractor runs and drives, everything worked on it. Normal fin issues, no problems. This one here had a little burn on it or something. We don't know what that was, but it came off. The only thing we've got to check is this little spot here. We didn't find anything leaking out of it, but we'll check it once it gets off. So if you've had a bad wreck, smashed up your radiator, framework, that's what this here is for. And if you need anything else, fan or these front drives, you know, just have to see what we've got in stock at that time. If we can help you out, let us know.